Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Tune Project. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the tune Star of the County Down on the fiddle, so stay tuned. If you end up enjoying this video and finding it to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below. It really helps out the channel, and if you're not yet subscribed, I do post videos just like this one every week, so consider hitting that red subscribe button below along with the notification bell so that you never miss when I post a new video. As always, the timestamps are marked in case you'd like to skip around, and if the pacing is a little too slow or fast for you, you can always adjust the speed in your video settings. And for the extended version of this tutorial where I show you how to play the version of the tune you heard just a minute ago with some added ornaments and some rhythm changes, then head on over to Patreon for that extended version. Now grab your fiddle and let's get into it. Here is our first phrase of the A part. Okay, so ending on a G there on the D string, and during that phrase we had some string crossings between the D and A strings, and we're going to have that again here in the second phrase, which is very similar to the first phrase, but it does end a little differently, so be sure to listen for that. Okay, so ending with our open A's there at the end. And that was the whole A part. Now, the form of this tune is A, B, B, so we would just play that A part once before moving on to the B part. But for now, let's go ahead and play that whole A part together at a slow tempo just to make sure that you caught all of those notes and rhythms. 1, 2, 3. All right, now moving on to this B section, we're going to be starting on the E string with an open E. So if you notice, there were a lot of repeated notes in that section, particularly E's, D's, and C's. So if any of these phrases feel a little long to you, be sure to listen for patterns and repeated notes to help with that. And this next phrase should be fairly easy for you because you've heard it before. It's the same phrase that we ended the A section with. And again, it goes like this. And that was the whole B section. As I said, we would play that B part twice. So let's go back and play it together at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3. All right, well there you have it. That was all of Star of the County Down. I really hope you enjoyed learning that tune with me today. And if you're interested in the extended tutorial, I'll be showing you how to take this tune from a march to more of a jig feel. And we're going to be adding in some ornaments as well. So if you're interested in that, then definitely check out that link in the description box below. Also, if you tend to learn best with sheet music, the sheet music for this tune is available in my digital sheet music library on my website. And again, the link for that is in the description box below. Many of the tunes that I teach here on the Tune Project are selected by my Patreon members. So if you'd like to have a say in the tunes that are featured here on this channel, then consider joining us on Patreon. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy practicing!